Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessie and I unbox subscription boxes and more. Today I wanted to jump back into the aromatherapy essential oil side of what I want to do eventually with my channel. I do plan on doing a 3-part essential oil safety kind of video, or well, 3 different videos, but today I won this giveaway, this amazing giveaway from Numa Aromatherapy. And I'll definitely link her website down below. The curator is a certified aromatherapist. She runs the company. Her name is Lynette Newman. And they have 100% pure essential oils with GCMS testing. I'm just actually trying them out for the first time with this giveaway. I actually am diffusing one of them right now. So with the holidays around the corner, like, aromatherapy, I think, is kind of huge. To me, today I was just kind of feeling tired, exhausted, and all of a sudden, like, I won this giveaway, and maybe just the fact that it came in the mail, it perked me up. But then I started diffusing tangerine essential oil. And you know, it's funny because I'm not an orange fan at all. I don't even usually like many citrus oils. I do like bergamot, I do like lime, but that's usually about it. But tangerine, oh my goodness, you folks, like, if you like the clementines, you know, the small oranges, it smells exactly like this. I mean, I've never had a tangerine, so I suppose it smells like tangerine too. But this oil, I diffused it, and I am now awake, happy, uplifted, I'm feeling amazing. So I just wanted to share some tips and tricks, like, with the holidays coming around. I really want to talk about just the importance of aromatherapy in my life and what it's really done. And this is just one shining example of many, just the uplifting benefits of some of it. And maybe it's because I'm celebrating Thanksgiving today with our dinner. We have the turkey cooking in the oven, and it smells, between that and the tangerine, the smells in here are driving me wild. So maybe it's all that. But so thank you, Lynette. I'm really excited. These oils are making my day right now. And I guess it's getting me in the holiday spirit. Not only is food cooking, but we have balsam fir, which is another amazing oil. I thought this actually, it's funny, you know, I like a lot of the coniferous oils, like, whoa, which one do I have? I'm totally blanking. I have a Christmas tree blend and I have pine Scots. So now getting balsam fir is it's super cool. I'm really excited. I also want to try black spruce. That's another one I'm really debating getting. But balsam fir actually smells a little bit different. It's kind of, you definitely get the forest tree scent in it. But to me, it's also smelled a little bit medicinal, kind of like a tea tree kind of quality to it. So I'm really looking forward to using this one. Like I said, I was just drawn to the tangerine, and it's already in my diffuser. The package literally just arrived, and I'm like, wow, I'm filming this. And I wasn't even planning on filming this, but Lynette, this generous giveaway was just so amazing, I had to. So the next 5 milliliter bottle I got is called, I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce this. It's Opopanax. I've been really curious about this oil for a really long time. I usually, the company I buy from doesn't sell it, but I had looked at another company that I also buy from that sells it. It looks like its main use, I did a quick lookup of it, is used in skin complexion, so you would want to dilute it in a carrier oil and then use it for skin. I have not tried it myself. Again, like I say with all my essential oil videos, this is what I want to go over in safety, in the safety course, but please do not try using essential oils until you talk to your doctors. They're extremely potent. Basically, they are the essential chemicals of the plant that it comes from. So they're more potent than you realize. They're not essential to us. They're essential to the plants. So keep that in mind. Really be cautious with them. But anyway, so this one, I was just totally blown away with it, and I'm really looking forward to trying it. It's kind of a more exotic oil, so I'm going to try to describe the scent to you. I smelled it earlier, but I need to smell it again. So let's see. To be honest, I'm not totally in love with the scent. If I used it for skin complexion, I wouldn't probably want to put it anywhere near my face. It kind of, I mean, it's kind of got a musky scent to it and almost smells a little bit like skunk. I mean, in a good way. No, skunk can't really be smelled in a good way, but it just, there's some, I guess the musk is really what I'm picking up. I know I've read online, like, descriptions can be woodsy or floral, and maybe I would get that if I diffused it or diluted it, but out of the bottle, there are oils like that, like out of the bottle, you just don't really like them, and then you use them, and therapeutic benefit kicks in. Like, if this ended up being, like, amazing for my skin, I would probably love this oil. So that's another magical thing about oils. But what really got me in the Christmas spirit was these two holiday blends. Snow Day here is freaking fantastic. The oils in it, just like, maybe it's because we're cooking a turkey right now, but the oils in it, wow. And this is actually a roll-on too, which is really cool. I'll open it up in a minute. But it has Siberian fir, wild orange, clove, star anise, lemon, myrtle, nutmeg, vanilla, ginger, cinnamon bark, geranium, myrrh, all in a carrier oil of jojoba oil. And I mean, usually I don't like blends with that many oils in it. I mean, that is a lot for me and migraines and whoa, but it smells like Christmas in a bottle. It smells, I guess it's the clove and the nutmeg and the vanilla, and I love myrrh, and I can't even believe geranium's in here. So I'm gonna smell this one again and see what stands out to me the most. But this is a roll-on too, which is really cool. I do find any blends that have cinnamon in it really linger for hours, so be careful if you do have migraines or if you don't want the cinnamon smelling on your body for hours. Do be careful with that. But let's take another smell of this one. For those of you that aren't familiar with roller balls, this is what they look like, and you just roll it onto your skin. This is pre-diluted in jojoba oil. I would like to see what percentage dilution it is. So that would be nice to know, honestly, before I roll it on my skin. I would like to know that, because cinnamon, some of these oils can be considered hot oils, like cinnamon. You want to be real careful putting that on your skin. You want to dilute it. I can't remember, it might be 1% or less of a dilution for cinnamon. And usually with a blend, you dilute to the lowest, most sensitive oil, which I think in here would probably be the cinnamon, or maybe the star anise. I'm not even sure. But I pretty much predominantly pick up a cinnamon. Usually cinnamon, I think, just masks a lot of oil, and this is cinnamon bark in this case. I think it masks the smell of all the other oils usually, but I get a little bit of nutmeg in here as well. But it smells really, really good. I mean, like, just Christmas in a bottle, like I said. So the last one that I got is a diffuser blend called Winter Wise, and I love that it comes with its own dropper. It makes it super easy to put into the diffuser, and it's don't worry, it's a glass dropper on the inside, because if it's not glass, the essential oils can eat away at droppers. But in this blend is cedarwood, Virginia, cinnamon cassia, wild orange, and juniper berry. It's not, again, I pick up predominantly cinnamon, but I also smell the cedarwood. I'm not a huge cedarwood fan, but the cinnamon and the other oils in here make up for the smell to make it still pleasant. I guess if I had to pick a cedarwood, I probably would pick cedarwood Texas, but to me, cedarwood just isn't for me, and not all oils are for everybody. But I definitely still want to diffuse this and try this at some point. Winter Wise, I think it's a really cool blend for winter. And you could also technically drop this into some type of dilution or roller ball. Like, it would definitely have some good immune benefits. The cedarwood and the juniper berry might help with some pain, as well as the cinnamon. It could be a really good pain blend, actually, now that I'm looking at this. So you could totally dilute this as well and apply it to your skin and pain areas. So I just wanted to share this amazing giveaway with you guys, and there's a huge surprise. I thought it was, these oils themselves are amazing, and she sent something else, so hold on. Alright, so Lynette, thank you so much for sending The Essential Life. This is a reference book, and I really appreciate it. It's the 2nd edition, and I wanted to just show you guys the table of contents. Oops, sorry. the table of contents to give you an idea of what this book contains. So let's see if I can get this. Alright, so section 1 is the introduction, and then there's a quick reference section. There's natural solutions in section 3. Section 4 is body systems and focus areas. I'm excited for that. Section 5 all has natural living recipes, and section 6 is really hard to see from here. It's in like a teal color. It's supplemental. So this is an awesome reference book. I haven't looked at it really yet in detail, but it's got a lot of cool pictures. It looks like it's easy to use. Like here's a page on cypress and coriander. So thank you again, Lynette, so much for this amazing giveaway. I'm so happy that I won these awesome oils, and thank you very much for sending it all again to me. I really appreciate it. Numa Aromatherapy. I'm really excited to try these oils. If anybody of my viewers have any questions, or if you'd like me to tell you what this brand of oils is like after I give some of them a try, I can definitely do that. So I guess I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to put this on YouTube yet or not. I think I will. I'm also considering doing an Instagram TV with this video, but if I do put it on YouTube, my random comment shout out question, I've been doing this now for a couple videos, so if you answer this question, you're still with me, you would get a shout out in the description box of my next video. My question would be is what level of essential oil user do you consider yourself to be? You could tell me that you don't use essential oils at all, that you're a complete beginner, or that you know some but would like to know more. I want to gauge the level of my followers that are interested in oils, because I do want to start from the beginning with the safety, but after I do the safety videos, which you guys, it might happen in December, they might happen later in 2020, it's going to depend. But when I do my safety videos, I really want to cover the basics, but then after that I need to know kind of like what you guys want to hear about, and kind of gauge your level of knowledge, because I don't want to talk about anything that's too complex or too boring, too simple. So just let me know. That would be the shout out question. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a great day. Ooh, there's a page on jasmine oil. That is a yummy smelling oil. And then here's juniper berry that was in the diffuser blend that I got today. I have this oil individually. I really love it. It's a great pain oil. So yeah, I'm randomly just flipping through the book, but thank you again to Numa Aromatherapy, and thank you all for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you later.